I had not planned on making a video, but I'm gonna do this real quick. Just a quick one, because I posted a picture of the seedlings and I have to get them planted in the garden because they are hardening off and they are ready, but it is not time because I have to get them acclimated to the outdoor temperature. And hardening off is just when you prepare them for the outdoors. When you start your seeds indoors, you have to be able to prepare them to handle the weather, the temperature, the outdoor climate, the sun, the heat, the rain, the wind. There's a lot that goes into that, and so it takes time for your precious indoor seedlings that you have been taking care of indoors, and they have to just develop some toughness to handle the weather outside. And so this is where I'm going to be planting them. This is not a long video. I'm just going to show you quickly, real quick, just like a quick look at the garden outdoors. There are some things that are already planted because I went and actually, it was maybe about a month ago, I bought some plants at a nursery, and I just want to get something in the ground and get something started. Actually, what really happened is that I had not planned on buying them. I had not planned on working them into my garden plan, but I saw them. I was like, ooh, that would be nice. And so I'm going to show you that too. So the first thing are, oh man, this is like slipping my mind. It is too early in the morning to be forgetting things. So Brussels sprouts, that's what it's called. So picked up Brussels sprouts and mint. This is a peppermint, and this is a sweet mint. And then I've got some strawberry plants growing. I just picked a couple. I guess I should have showed you, but they are so sweet. I already eaten some of the strawberries. And then over here, there's another strawberry. Did you even see that? So I'm holding the way I'm holding my camera. There you go. And then back there, I've got some other things. Let me flip this camera around. That probably would be better. There's some more. There's Swiss chard and some more of the Brussels sprouts, more Swiss chard, and then peas. Oh, I didn't show you the peas on the other side. I probably should have, but there are peas over here. Good morning, my friend. Please take care of my plants. All right, I've got potatoes that just, blossom so great. All right, so I need to make sure that I'm maintaining that, make sure I'm providing its care. But those were potatoes. Those were started from seed. I did those myself, and everything actually out here I did myself by seed. The only thing that was not done by seed were the Brussels sprouts, the peppermint, spearmint, and the strawberry plants. Everything else was done by seed as well. And then I want to show you the peas. The onion starts, and I love the chives from the onion, so that's what I'm looking forward to harvest once they are ready. And then I had some onion bulbs here. Let's see how did this one flip over? So let's put that one back. I don't know what happened to that. It flipped over. So I'm gonna put some more care into those, cover them up properly. Those were started from just little onion bulbs. These were started by seed. This was a while back. I think this was like back in March when I had done this. Those are the beets. And that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you. I'll make a full video about my garden, what it is that I'm doing, the trees that I had to cut down to serve a greater and bigger purpose. And we're going to be replanting trees, but more fruit trees to build an orchard. So we've got a lot of work to do, and only going to do a little at a time because that's what we've got. Just a little at a time, just a little something here and there whenever we have time. But I gotta go. Take care.